students, today we are going to start with the practice set 2.2. First question, show that 4 root of 2 is an irrational number. So we will prove this in the opposite way, showing that, assuming that 4 root of 2 is a rational number, opposite of irrational, rational number. So let us assume that 4 root of 2 is a rational number. Now, so when it is a rational number, so therefore 4 root of 2 is equal to a by b. Let us take a by b is a rational number where a is any integer but b is not equal to 0. It should not be equal to 0. Now, let us solve this. So, b is the LCM here. Do cross multiplication. So, it will be, first of all, we'll transfer this 4 here. So, root of 2 is equal to a by b. This is multiplied, 4 multiplied by 2. So, it becomes divided by 4 multiplied by root 2. So, when 4 comes this side, it becomes divided by 4. Now, therefore, root of 2 is equal to as b is the LCM. A by b, we cannot do division with a rational number. So, we have to take the reciprocal and multiply 1 by 4. This is equal to a by 4b. That is root 2 is equal to a by 4b. Now, a by 4b is a rational number and root 2 is an irrational. So, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That is, root of 2 is an irrational number and 4 by b, a by 4b is a rational number. Therefore, when left hand side is not equal to right hand side, therefore our assumption is wrong. That is, 4 root of 2 is a rational number. Therefore, when this assumption is wrong, then it is proved that, therefore it is proved it is proved that 4 root of 2 is an irrational number. Now let us start with question number 2. Question number 2 is also of the same type. Prove that 3 plus root of 5 is an irrational number. But this question is little different. So again in the same method we will prove. We'll prove that, we'll assume that first that 3 plus root of 5 is a rational number. So let us prove, or let us assume that 3 plus root of 5 is a rational number. Now we got this is a rational number, therefore 3 plus root of 5 is equal to a by b. A by b is a rational number where a is any integer and b is not equal to 0. It can be any integer. Now 3 plus root of 5 is equal to a by b. 3 we will transfer that side. So therefore we will get root of 5 is equal to a by b. This is plus 3. When it goes that side, it will be minus 3. So this is equal to, now take the LCM as b. A is the same because LCM is b means it is equal to the denominator, so numerator will be the same. Now do cross multiplication, minus 3b. So this is in the form of an rational number. So we can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Sorry, this is root of 5. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That is left hand side, that is root of 5 is an irrational number. And 3 minus, sorry, a minus 3b upon b is a rational number. Therefore, my assumption that 3 plus root of 5 is a rational number wrong. Therefore, when this assumption that 5 plus root of 3 plus root of 5 is a rational number, this assumption is wrong. That means, therefore we can say that 3 plus root of 5 is an irrational number. Therefore, it is proved that 3 plus root of 5 is an irrational number. Now let us start with question number 4. The question is given in this way. Write any 3 rational numbers between the 2 numbers given below. This first one. These are the 2 numbers given. So we have to use the formula, that is a plus b by 2. So this formula a is equal to 0.3 and b is equal to as 0.5. Now, it is minus 0.5. Now, a plus b, 0.3 plus, in the bracket you take minus 0.5 upon 2. Remove the bracket. Now, 0.3 plus into minus is minus. Remove the bracket. So, plus to minus is minus 0.5 by 2. So, here both the signs are different. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. This is the greater number. So, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So, it will be minus sign of the greater number. So, it is minus 0.2 by 2. 2 ones are cancelled. So, it is equal to minus 0.1. This is we have to find any 3 rational number between these 2. So, this is the first one. Now, the numbers are in this form. 0.3, next number is minus 0.1, next number is minus 0.5. Now take these two as A and B. So A is equal to here minus 0.1 and B is equal to minus 0.5. Now taking this two as A and B, we have to use the same formula. So formula I will now write again. Now it is minus 0.1 plus in the bracket minus 0.5 divided by 2. Now open the bracket. It is minus 0.1 plus into minus is minus 0.5 upon 2. Both the signs are same. Add and put the same sign. So it will be equal to as it will be equal to as both the signs are same, add and put the same sign. So it is equal to minus 0.6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. So it is equal to minus 0.3. This is the second rational number. So the numbers are now, first of all, first number is 0.3. Next number is minus 0.1. The next number is minus 0.3 and the last number is minus 0.5. Now again we have to take this last two as A and B. So A is equal to as, now A is equal to as minus 0.3 and B is equal to as minus 0.5. Use the same formula. So it is equal to as minus 0.3 plus in the bracket minus 0.5 divided by 2. Now open the bracket, minus 0.3 plus to minus is minus 0.5 by 2. Now you can see that both the numbers have the same sign. So add and put the same sign. Therefore it is minus 0.8 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So it is equal to minus 0.4. So this is the third rational number we have got. So we have got rational numbers 1, rational number 2 and rational number 3 between the two given numbers. Therefore, the three rational numbers between 0.3 and minus 0.5 is in this form. That is, first number is 0.3, next number is 0.1 minus 0.1, next number is 0.2, that is minus 0.3, that is, this we get it from 1 to 3. From 1, 2 and 3. This way we can write. Okay. So, your first number is 0.3. Second number is minus 0.1. Third number is minus 0.3. Fourth number is, that is third point, it is minus 0.4 and the last given number is minus 0.5. Therefore, this 1, 2, 3 are the three numbers between the two given numbers.